Topic 4 has a lot of word problems involved on the test. So most of them will be written in a diagram or a picture, and you're going to have to pick which one represents the problem. So we need to know what our problem is. Marta's dog weighs 60 pounds. Suso's dog weighs 43 pounds. How much more does Marta's dog weigh than Suso's dog? Draw a picture and write an equation to represent this problem. All right, we have to look. What operation are we doing? How much more? Is that adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing? Well, we know that we're comparing one weight to the other, so it's subtraction. So here's how we'll draw our picture. Since it's subtraction, we know the total weight. That is 60. That's what Marta's dog weighs. We need to find the other parts that make up 60. Well, we know Suso's dog weighs 43 pounds. Aren't we trying to compare Suso's dog to Marta's dog? We want to see the difference. How much more does it weigh? So we're doing subtraction. We are going to subtract 60 minus 43 and come up with our problem, the answer to our problem. So 60 minus 43 gives you your answer. Let's go 60 minus 43. So the answer to the problem is Marta's dog weighs 17 pounds more than Suso's dog. And that's how you solve for subtraction. Take a look at the next problem. Sandy earned $36 from babysitting and $15 for doing her chores. Write an equation and find the total amount, T, that Sandy earned. So we're using a T instead of a question mark now. This is how you set it up if you're doing addition. We know we're finding the total amount. You guys are all good at figuring that out in a word problem. So we need to add 36 plus 15 to get our T. 6 plus 5 is 11. 3 plus 1 plus 1 is 5. We're talking about dollars, so it is $51 that Sandy earned.